फोटो खींच रहा ना, मैं वीडियो ले रहा हूँ। एक मिनट भाई, एक मिनट। मैम रुक जाओ, फोटो तो निकाल। यहाँ पे मैम यहाँ पे लाइट ना, नहीं यहाँ पे लाइट।
What do you know about this?
मैम कह रहे करना मैम लोग लिया क्या
Janvi, come on.
Do it later, please. Thank you. Ma'am, look. Thank you.
Of why this film got made is because there are two female producers sitting behind it. This film is made, a lot of the push and drive for this film is Riya Kapoor and Ekta Kapoor. And of course, Anil sir and Shobha ma'am and so everyone. But Riya and Ekta are really the driving forces behind this film. So I think that question needs to be asked to producers. That question needs to be asked to male and female producers, but male producers because they've held the reins of the industry for so long. And that question needs to be asked to male writers and directors. That why were not stories like this written before? And Nan, to come back to your thing, I really hope this film does well. I think it'll do well. And I think it'll change everything from prices to, trajectories to the kind of stories we see. And I think that it's 2018 and the fact that this is the first time that there is a film about 4 girls being friends and not falling in love with the same guy. I think we deserve a clap for that.
Swara, see, I was waiting for you to take off.
Zindabad!
You made my...
Zindabad!
You made it. You made the press con.
Listen, I have a question. I said there's this great... Well, you all don't ask about the film now, so I have to come back into it. No?
आप और शादी की बात करो ना, अभी शादी की बात करो. अभी सवाल ये पूछिए.
You understand that I'm mediating, so I have to come in between only then. Go ahead.
Kareena and Sonam,
okay,
towards
anyone can answer this question. Obviously the trailer is looking really great, but it does has a bit of bold dialogues. How about the censor board? What sort of cuts have you guys been asked, or what are you expecting?
मैं तो जा रही हूँ.
I'll tell you something. This question is better asked to the producers of the film. They are not here right now. There's a reason they didn't come, I think.
आपको पता है ना, actors have nothing to do with censor board.
But we don't know. We hope because there is nothing that's objectionable in this film.
Hi, Kareena, Sonam, towards your right.
One second, let it complete.
Also, recently Saroj Khan made an unsavory comment, on casting couch existing in Bollywood, and she compared it to a rape. What would you guys like to say?
Answer this question. No.
Entirely bad is what she said. And yesterday, Ranbir Kapoor had said that he didn't know about the existence of a casting couch, but if it is there, then it's the worst thing. I mean, and a lot of the media, was upset that he was laughing about it, etc. So this has become the talking point. And Swara, yes, if you could take this question.
This question is made for you.
I mean, why is casting couch being asked to me? Like, what is this? What is the meaning of this? I mean, what is the question? Like, what is there to ask about? I mean, it's
No, this.
बाबा आदम को भी मलाइन कर दो. बाबा आदम का भी छीछा ले इधर साथ में.
तो आपको बोलना है yes or no कि एग्जिस्ट करता है कि नहीं करता है, बस ये जवाब देना है. और उसमें no.
No, what do you
सबका no.
what do you have to say about Saroj
यार
Khan's
सबसे पहले तो
statement?
मैं बोलूंगी इसका वीरेदी वेडिंग से कोई लेना देना
Yes.
नहीं है, ठीक है? और मुझे लगता है कि हमें जो सारे सवाल हैं वो वीरेदी वेडिंग तक ही सीमित रखने चाहिए.
बस.
But
Now I will
Swara,
move
you
to the last
always
बाहर
question.
जाके बात करेंगे.
एक second. This one last question over here.
But
Yeah.
you know, all these questions,
Swara,
honestly,
Swara.
I have something to say. Every question that is not relating to the film, I promise you, Swara or me, or I don't know about Shikha. Shikha, have you done this before? But I'm just saying that we will answer all of this on a one-on-one basis. Because right now, we are trying to keep the focus on this because the next headline shouldn't be say कि Swara Bhaskar नहीं है, Saroj Khan के बारे में बोला. That should not be the headline.
मेरे ट्विटर टाइमलाइन पे आ जाओ आप.
हाँ,
Exactly,
हाँ.
Swara,
Twitter,
the
no, but
fact
we
that-
can, no. We will talk about it. I promise you, we will talk about it on one-on-one. Swara and I have the same PR, and so does Bebo. We all have our own PR. Chandani is here. Rohini is here somewhere. Ro, where are you? And we will talk about it personally on our personal time because these are questions that are not related to the film right now.
Swara's answering this question she said on Twitter anyway, no?
Exactly, Swara. And the fact that, Amazon kind of deleted your retweet, it's about your Twitter timeline.
Chandani?
What
Who is
would you
messing
have
my
to say?
career with this question? Where are you?
Would you like to take that, please?
Yeah, I wouldn't like to take that question here at all.
Done.
I don't
We
want
move-
to. I don't
Yeah.
think we should divert focus from this film. This is a really
It's an
special film.
important
It's an
film,
important
it's a
film,
special film,
and I think that let's keep the focus on this film because it's necessary that this film get the relevant attention.
We got 17 minutes in
Hello.
without those bits, right? So that's not
Hello.
too bad. I'm going to finish off. Yeah, one second. Hang on, guys.
One
Hi,
question.
Karina.
Wait,
Sonam,
Baba, one
towards
second,
your
one second.
right. Hi,
Yeah.
Priyanka from Indian Express. The trailer looks amazing.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. I wanted to know from both of you, how liberating was it for you, for both of you, to not have a male co-star and be surrounded by female co-stars and have your own space, own that
I have
space?
to tell you something. I used to make a joke to Poonam. I used to say, "Is my favorite hero I've ever worked with is Kareena Kapoor." I'm telling you, it's the easiest thing to work with other women. Unfortunately, our conditioning is such that people expect women to pull other women down and, compete with each other because obviously divide and rule, right? So what's amazing is to actually all work towards the same goal of making the best possible version of something. So if everybody bands together, literally, girls, we can rule the world.
Karina?
Hello.
Karina, your
Hello.
opinion on the same? Karina?
I think that it was brilliant. I've been a part of a lot of ensemble films. But I think this was very, very special. And that's the reason I wanted to be a part of it. Because I don't think a lot of mainstream actresses want to be paired with other girls. I think it's always like, I have worked with Salman, Amir, Shah Rukh, everyone. Everyone wants to work with them. But the fact is that I really wanted to be a part of this movie and, work with Sonam and Swara and Shikha and everyone and just, feel like a teammate, a team player. And it's really taught me actually to get out of that, commercial typical zone of being, a part of those big Bollywood movies and be a part of a film and, play a character. So I think it's been a learning experience for me.
Karina, also
Hello,
have
mera
to
sawal,
ask you that
Sonam-
there
One
have
second, I'm
been
just going to jump
rumors-
across and finish
there
off with
have
one.
been,
Excuse-
just
yeah,
one
okay, hang on,
question.
hang on, one second,
Karina,
one
there have been rumors that you have been offered Salute, which is Rakesh Kumar's biopic. So would you like to say something about that?
Whatever film I choose, I'll definitely let everyone know, but at the right time.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
चलो मेरा सवाल
One last
सोनम,
question,
करीना
yeah.
और स्वरा आप तीनों से है. फिल्में जब रिलीज होती हैं किसी सेलिब्रिटी की तो जाहिर सी बात है एक कोई ना कोई इन्फ्लुएंस जरूर क्रिएट करती है सोसाइटी में. लेकिन जब रियल लाइफ में एज अ सेलिब्रिटी जब कोई सेंसिटिव मुद्दा जब आता है, जब आपको रिएक्ट करना होता है, तो कितनी जिम्मेदारी होती है एक सेलिब्रिटी के लिए? आप तीनों का कोई रिएक्शन अगर हो.
सबसे जिम्मेदार हम में से करीना जी.
प्लीज.
This question also on Twitter timeline.
बेसिकली हमने ये देखा था कि हाल ही में वेरी सैड इंसिडेंट हुआ था और आप तीनों ने रिएक्ट किया था उस पर.
So I'm going to answer this question on everybody's behalf. As celebrities, we have a platform, and if we feel something for a certain subject, we will react on it. We get our free bags and free shoes because we're celebrities. But if there's something that's affecting society in some way, we will talk about it. Now, whether we should talk about it on this platform at this point where I feel we are creating a film that might change the mindsets of people and this might divert from that, I don't know if that's all right, but I don't think we've ever shied away from supporting anything that we believe in.
But at the same time,
Thank you.
I think that gets it, bro. That was 6 of the bouncer. Okay, so we're going to wrap up and we just do a little photo op in the end, guys. ठीक है, we done. Thank you. बाकी तो सोशल मीडिया पर है ही ना, they all available है ना, on their Twitter timelines. One sec, मैं चेयर हटवा देता हूँ. Hang on, एक सेकंड. या चेयर हटा रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड. They want some solo pictures. So सबको अलग अलग कर दें. सब सोलो आ जाओ. Solo pictures. All right, thank you guys.